Pairing a compatible device with the Audi Bluetooth system is a direct and simple process and enables you to connect to compatible Bluetooth-enabled devices. You can initiate the connection from your phone. To begin the pairing process, the vehicle should be in accessory mode with the parking brake set. Now, enable Bluetooth pairing on the phone. It will search for available Bluetooth devices. When Audi MMI appears, select it. This will initiate the connection to the vehicle. The MMI will display the connection request, which you should accept by pressing the control knob. A pin match request will appear. Check that it matches the pin in your phone. Confirm that the pin matches. Then select Yes in the MMI and press Pair on the phone. The MMI will verify that a connection has been established and display the active profile of the features enabled, such as hands-free operation, loading directory and contacts, and linking as a Bluetooth audio player. Once your phone is connected, the system will display a list of your most recent received, missed, and outgoing calls in the telephone call list, as well as recent voicemails. You can scroll through the list to select any of these. To return to the top of the list, shift the control knob up. To pair an additional phone or device, simply repeat the process. You may have two phones active within the MMI system at the same time, allowing a passenger to make and take calls using the MMI connection.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing well. How about you guys?
Not too bad.
We were wondering if you wanted to come to dinner with us.
However, outbound calls must be initiated from the secondary phone, but the conversation will be through the vehicle's Bluetooth system. You can switch the primary and secondary phones, giving another phone precedence and linking to its contact list. Select the Right Options menu, scroll to Change Primary and Additional Phone, and select. This will automatically swap the primary and secondary phones. The new primary phone will be indicated in the upper right corner of the screen, and the phone's service carrier will be shown in the lower right. The phone-to-car pairing process is intuitive and efficient. With this method, staying connected to your Audi and the world outside is uncomplicated and effortless, making your driving experience more pleasant.